Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a complete Brevo setup from creating your account to sending your very first email campaign. So whether you're completely new or just exploring the platform, this step-by-step guide will help you get started confidently and understand how everything works inside of Brevo. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we put down below. You'll get access to my complete Brevo course as well, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. If you're new to Brevo, let me give you a brief, kind of overview of what Brevo actually is. Brevo is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you manage email campaigns, automate workflows, and build stronger relationships with your audience. It's designed to make digital communication simple and effective for businesses really of any size. So, now that you have a general idea of what Brevo is, let's move forward and create your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up Free button, which is usually located at the top right corner. Click it, and you'll then be redirected to the account creation page. This is where you'll see several options to sign up. You can choose to sign up with Google, sign up with Apple, or sign up with email. For this tutorial, let's sign up with an email address. So enter your email and create a strong password. Then click the Create an Account button. Brevo will now send a verification link to your email. Open your inbox, find the message from Brevo, click the verification link inside to confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the account setup page. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile details, such as your name, company name, and business type. Once setup is done, you'll land on the Brevo dashboard. Now, you should probably think of the Brevo dashboard as the brain or the main control center of your account. Here is where you can access all of Brevo's tools and features. On the left-hand side menu, take a look. You'll see the main menu that includes tabs such as Home, CRM, Marketing, Automations, Transactional, Conversations, and more. Each section designed to handle specific tasks like managing contacts, running campaigns, or setting up automations. Now that your account is ready, let's go ahead and create your first email campaign. To start, click on the Marketing tab from the left menu. Once you click it, it will expand into more options. You should choose Campaigns from the drop-down list. Now, this will take you to the Campaigns page where you can see your existing campaigns. You may not have any, but you can also create a new one. Click the Create Campaign button at the top right corner of the screen. A small pop-up window will appear with options to create different types of campaigns such as email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push notifications. Since we're focusing on email, select email. Once you select the email option, you'll be taken to the Create a Campaign page where you will see 2 campaign types, regular and A/B test. For this tutorial, we'll select A/B test since it really allows us to test and optimize performance by comparing 2 versions of an email. After choosing the A/B test option, you'll need to decide what exactly you want to test. Brevo will give you 2 choices, subject lines or email content. Let's go with subject lines for this example because it's one of the easiest ways to improve open rates. Next, you'll see a field to enter your campaign name. Be sure to type a clear and descriptive name so that you can easily identify it later. Below that, you'll find the tags field where you can add tags to organize your campaigns. You'll also see the folder section where you can assign your campaign to an existing folder just to help keep things organized. Once all of this information is filled out, click Create A/B Campaign to move forward. After creating the campaign, you'll be taken to the main setup page. Now, this page includes several sections: sender, recipients, subject, split rules, and design. Start with the sender section. This is where you will confirm the sender email address. Now, if the correct address is already displayed, you can leave it as is. Otherwise, click Manage Sender. To select or add a different sender address, this is how you'll do that. Otherwise, click Manage Sender to select or add a different sender address. Next, move to the Recipients section. Click Add Recipients and choose the contact lists or segments that should receive the email. Once added, click Save. Now continue to the subject section. Click Add Subjects. Now, since this is an A/B test, you'll need to enter 2 different subject lines. Type your first subject line in version A and your second in version B. Add a short preview text if you like, and then click Save. After that, scroll down to the Split Rules section. Click Add Split Rules to define how your audience will be divided between the 2 test versions. You can adjust the slider to choose what percentage of the contacts will receive each version of your email. Then, decide how the winning version will be determined. Now, you can choose open rate or click rate as the success metric. You'll also set the test duration, meaning how long the system should wait before sending the winning version to the rest of your list. Once you're done, click Save. Now move to the Design section. Click Start Designing to open the email editor. Now you will see here multiple creation methods like create from scratch, saved templates, campaign emails, basic templates, and ready to use. For the purposes of this tutorial, select Ready to Use and then click Use Template. After selecting a template, pick whichever you like, you'll be taken to the email editor where you can customize the layout. You can edit text, add images, and adjust styles using the tools on the left panel. Take your time to design an email that aligns with your brand, and when you're finished, click Save and Quit at the top right corner. To preview your email, click Preview and Test at the top right corner. A pop-up window will open showing options like Preview, View an Inbox, and Send Test Email. In Preview, you can see how your email looks overall. In View an Inbox, click Generate to see how it appears inside of an actual inbox. And in Send Test Email, you can send a test version to your own address to confirm how it displays when received. And once everything looks good, return to your campaign stages. Now you're ready to schedule your email. So click the Schedule button at the top right, and a side panel will open here on the right side of your screen, showing you different sending options. The first, Send Now. Choose this if you want your campaign to go out immediately. The second, Schedule for Later. Now, this allows you to select a future date and time. Once chosen, a calendar and time selector will appear for you to set your preferred sending time. And the third option, Send at the Best Time, which uses Brevo's AI-powered timing feature to automatically deliver your email when each recipient is most likely to engage. The fourth option is Send in Batches. This lets you send your campaign in smaller groups to manage server load or segment responses. For this tutorial, we'll select Send Now, and then click the Send Now button at the bottom right corner. Your campaign will now be sent successfully. And that's how you set up Brevo completely, from signing up and verifying your account to designing and sending your first email campaign. Please don't forget, if you want to unlock more advanced tools and automation features, check out the link in the description. You'll get 50% off of the starter and business plans for the first 3 months, plus access to our complete Brevo course that will walk you through everything you need to master the platform. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.